2099년 런던. 누군가를 기다리고 있는 한 남자. 그때 한 소녀가 모습을 드러냅니다.
What sort of mess have you gotten yourself into now, Elisa?
When I first found you, I made a vow that I'd save you if I could.
And you did. What are you up to, Elisa?
Saving the world.
Our world is long past saving. I thought that was always your point.
But I didn't say our world.
알 수 없는 소리를 하는 아엘리타.
Goodbye, Wolf.
Elisa?
수수께끼 같은 대사를 남긴 채 시간은 다시 2032년으로 돌아갑니다. 숲속 작은 집에서 살고 있는 플린.
Morning, Mama. Brought you some coffee. Just be careful, it's a little hot. And I made you a sandwich. I left it in the fridge. Burton wants one. He can go ahead and make his own.
몸이 아픈 어머니를 돌보며 지내고 있었습니다.
Can't keep losing weight, Mama. You're gonna end up in the hospital again. Burton!
약을 살 돈이 필요해진 플린은 해병대 출신 오빠 버턴을 찾아갑니다.
Burton! Do you care to tell me why Mama's last Tamazine's only 10 milligrams? Have you been swapping pills with Mama?
Jesus Christ, Flynn, you really think I'd do that?
She's got a 10 milligram pill. And just that one, too. Which means you've likely not only been swapping, so I need cash now.
How much?
How much you got?
1,000 if I make it to the next level, which you could maybe help with.
That's just one pill.
Which is one day, ain't it? And I got something big coming tonight, so we'll have the rest tomorrow.
All right, orient me.
플린에게 대신 게임을 부탁하는 버턴.
He hired us to get him past level 20. Keep saying, chill. Annoying as all hell. Reese is the one in the beret.
Jesus, don't you even have a shred of
Decency. At least let the damn sheep out. I like your beret, Reese. Real classy. Lynn? What are we looking for?
It's supposed to be a map.
Drag that door open, will ya?
순식간에 적들을 학살해버리는데
You wanna guess why y'all didn't find that map?
Why? Because it hadn't arrived yet.
You can send the money to my phone.
What the fuck happened?
사실 누구보다 빼어난 게임 실력을 갖춘 플린. 하지만 천재적인 재능이 무색하게도 그저 평범한 3D 프린트숍 직원으로 일하며 살아갑니다.
Your skills and personality are being sadly wasted in this den of imbecility. How much does Burton get jockeying for rich folks?
A whole lot more than he deserves.
And you could earn even more.
It ain't real. I'm not gonna not. This here's the only world that I got.
가상 현실보다 진짜 현실을 더 중요시 여겼던 플린. 잠시 후 플린에게 도착한 상자 하나.
What?
Burton said to fetch this home.
And how'd he pay for it?
He didn't. Something called meat lap gross cold iron did.
And what's it supposed to do?
So it's some sort of remote piloting gizmo.
We know best guess that is.
밀라그로스 콜디론이라는 정체불명의 기업으로부터
It's a Colombian company. We looked them up.
What kind?
Kind that's registered in Bogota, and that's all they're gonna tell you. Fuck you very much.
버턴에게 베타 테스트 의뢰가 들어온 것입니다.
You have got a scam friend, though.
Nothing personal. Customer requested chain to custody.
그날 밤
You wanna talk some sense to me about Mama's pills?
Ask what this is.
Handing me a toy to distract me.
Might be surprised, because when it is working, you wouldn't necessarily notice.
그들이 보낸 것은 최첨단 VR 헤드셋 시제품이었습니다.
What are all those silver prongs for? And there's no screen.
Cutting edge VR, Flynn. Folks want me to beta test it for a shitload of money, too.
Why you?
Turns out I'm one of the few jockeys ever to reach the 100th level in Halcyon.
사실 그 기록은 플린이 접속해 기록한 것이었고
I don't have time for this shit. I gotta put dinner
This here's
on.
the only way we're gonna pay for Mama's Tamasine.
버턴은 플린이 가진 재능을 잘 알고 있었기에 접속을 권유합니다.
Come on, you know I'm proud of you, right? How good you are at this?
Shut up. You are so full of shit. I can't see how you stand yourself sometimes.
I am proud of you.
어머니의 약값을 마련하기 위해
Do I get another big ass beard this time or what?
As far as I can tell, you're gonna be a version of me.
Okay. I should probably act a little dim-witted then.
결국 플린은 VR 헤드셋을 머리에 쓴 채 미지의 세계로 첫 발을 내딛습니다.
Close your eyes.
Stop it.
Count back from 10. The rest should be self-explanatory, more or less.
Okay. 5, 4,
shit!
플린은 가상현실 세계에 눈을 뜹니다. 그때 정체 모를 한 여성의 목소리가 들려옵니다.
Well, hello. Welcome to the sim, Easy Ice.
Who are you?
The voice in your head. I tell you what to do, and you do it. That's how you earn your keep. Left.
안내 목소리에 따라 목적지로 향하는 플린.
Your destination.
I think I know what that is.
You know what it used to be. Halfway around the circle. Pull up at the door on the left. You're on foot from here.
I need a weapon?
Just the rapier of your wit, should you possess such a thing. Let's look lively now. Someone's waiting.
어떤 장소로 안내받은 플린이 도착을 알리는 순간
Say, I've arrived.
I've arrived.
You don't appear to be in our database. Your name is?
Easy Ice.
Do you prefer Easy or Mr. Ice?
Mr. Ice has a pretty good ring to it.
Enjoy the party, Mr. Ice.
가상현실 속 아바타 이지 아이스를 등록합니다. 현실감 넘치는 세상에 플린은 감탄하기 시작합니다.
What is this?
A company party.
What's the company?
A little venture called the RI.
Which stands for?
Research Institute. A high point of the social calendar, I assure you. Not to be missed.
사교 행사에 참석하며 차분히 지시에 따르기 시작하는 플린.
That's the queen bee of this entire vile hive. You don't want to feel her sting, trust me. Warmer still. The crown of laurels. I need you to convince this young woman to take you home. Make this happen now, or you won't be paid.
Sitting here like this? You're just too beautiful.
Come, sit. Be a king to my queen. I'm Marielle.
능력을 쓰는 게 익숙해 보이는 마리엘.
And then spend the next hour leaning close, complimenting you. And then, maybe, if the signs seemed right, I could ask you to take me home.
Or
I could ask you now.
플린은 마리엘을 유혹하는데 성공합니다.
In your pocket, you'll find a glass ampule. And while you do this, I'd suggest you attend rather closely to your surroundings.
지시에 따르던 바로 그 순간 인공지능과의 사투가 시작됩니다. 사실 이 지시는 마리엘을 납치하라는 지시였고
Chop chop, let's keep this moving. I speak, and I'm like a thought for you, aren't I? Such power. I didn't realize I'd enjoy it quite so much. Left.
플린은 시키는 대로 목적지를 향해 나갑니다.
So,
I've arrived. Who's this?
your master, little puppet.
곧이어 지시를 내렸던 목소리의 주인공 아엘리타 웨스트를 마주합니다.
The one who pulls your strings. You're my first polt, I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit of an odd feeling.
What's a polt?
아엘리타는 플린을 폴트라 칭했고
If I assured you that you'd likely no longer exist in like another decade, what would that mean to you? Would that carry any weight? Would you wake from here and change your life?
You were easier to follow when you were just a voice inside my head. Now what?
Something rather eye-opening, I assure you. Let's resume this tomorrow, shall we?
알 수 없는 말과 함께 플린은 그대로 접속을 종료합니다.
holy shit!
What's this in about?
A kidnapping? But I mean, that's definitely just the start.
Well, you must have done something right because they want you back tomorrow. And they just bumped up the money.
No shit.
I don't want to be an asshole about this, Flynn, but we're talking a lot of fucking cash here. Like, enough to set us right for months.
그렇게 당분간 베타 테스트에 임하기로 하는 플린.
Hold up.
How's it work?
I don't know, some sort of neural cutout, I guess, like my haptics. I'll ride over to Jimmy's and pick up the rest of Mama's Tamacine.
Nah, I got it, Burton. I could use some fresh air.
잠시 후 어머니의 약을 사러 나온 플린. 약을 판매 중인 불량배들을 따로 불러냅니다.
I need Tamazine.
Think you might need a little bit of help with your math here, Flynn.
I just want the one pill. I'll come back here tomorrow and pick up the rest.
You know that's not how this works. I don't know, figure out some sort of barter deal.
Give me the goddamn pill.
Maybe you should try your luck with Farmer John. See if they're a little more amenable.
그런데 그때 군복무 중 큰 부상을 입은 오빠 버턴의 친구 코너가 나섭니다.
How about you just give the young lady what she asking for?
I would have guessed a one-armed dude would know when it's time to mind his own business.
You wanna know the best part about being a one-armed dude, Cash? You ain't got a lot left to lose, bro. Now let's say I decide to reach for that boat up there. Now what's the worst thing that can happen to me? The worst thing? I only managed to kill 2 of you. Rather than all 3.
코너 덕분에 하루치 약을 살 수 있게 된 플린.
How's he holding up?
You should come by sometime. Might even be moved enough to offer you a beer.
How's the charge on that?
Low.
그 시각 술집으로 돌아간 불량배들. 두목처럼 보이는 피켓이라는 남자가 그들을 기다리고 있었습니다.
I could understand how you might be unhappy with us, Mr. Bickett.
I'm not unhappy. It's the bullying that gives me pause. The way that drunk, crippled man handled you out there. Drink up, son. I need you calm so you can absorb this lesson.
폭력적인 교훈을 심어주는 피켓.
When you look weak, I look weak.
한편 집으로 돌아온 플린은 통증을 느끼고 있는 오빠의 모습을 보게 됩니다. 다음 날 아픈 어머니의 머리를 감겨주던 플린.
Something wrong, hon? Just the sorry state of your hair. But don't worry, I'll ask Billy Ann to come over and give this briar patch a little trim. How's the pain been?
Well, Burton's been giving me his extra pills. That's helped some.
What do you mean?
Well, he says he doesn't need them so much anymore.
플린은 버턴이 고통을 감내하고 약을 내어주고 있었다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
How are those haptics treating you?
Been worse.
I'm sorry I said all that evil stuff about you taking Mama's pills.
What's going on, Flynn?
What do you mean?
You're acting fucking weird.
Yeah, just give me that. Stop piddling with it.
잠시 후 다시 가상현실에 접속하는 플린. 하지만 움직일 수 없는 상태로 수술대에 올라가 있었고
I assume you're wondering why you can't move. That's a very good question. Do you know what enucleation? Now, I imagine that you've begun to shout in your head, haven't you? Alas, you can't do that here because I initiate the connection and only I can end it, so... It's Barry Hell's beautiful blue orb.
마취 없이 안구를 적출당할 위기에 처하게 됩니다.
I may need you to endure terrible pain in the coming hours, okay? I mean, you're not actually in this body, are you?
마리엘의 눈을 이식하는 끔찍한 시술을 감행하는 아엘리타.
I need you to discipline your mind. Show me that you can rein it in. Well done. Back, are we?
What are we doing?
You're gonna be a love and open some doors for me.
깨어난 플린은 아엘리타와 함께 어딘가로 향합니다.
Press your eye to it, or rather, dear Marielle's.
마리엘의 눈으로 삼엄한 보안을 뚫어내는 플린.
What is this place?
Infinity in the palm of your hand, eternity in an hour.
그렇게 두 사람은 최하층까지 내려갑니다.
It's a great gift I'm giving you. I hope you're worthy of it. Are you ready?
For what?
To lay claim to your destiny.
마지막 보안을 뚫고 자신의 눈을 갖다 대자
Master it.
억지로 통제하는 아엘리타. 이때 암살자 데니얼이 등장합니다.
Stop him! Now he's here to kill us!
플린은 지시대로 맞서 싸우기 시작합니다.
I need to rest.
Encountered one of these before. Delivers a sonic punch right down into the organs.
아엘리타 또한 음파총으로 쉽게 제압당합니다.
Is this the liver over here? Or is it the spleen?
묶인 손을 빼내자 살이 벗겨지며 기계손이 드러나고
Easy, I say. What's your real name, lad?
플린이 반격을 시도하는 사이 도망치는 아엘리타. 그 순간 현실 세계로 강제 로그아웃됩니다.
What happened?
Never again. Never fucking again.
Flynn!
다음 날 집으로 찾아온 친구에게 모든 일을 털어놓는 플린.
You know, I've been playing this sim. You feel your whole body like it's real or something. They cut my eye out, beat me to death for no reason at all. It was just meanness. Like the palm of my hand got ripped off, right?
Jesus.
Yeah, but underneath it, it was a machine. Why would they design it like that? It seems to me like the whole thing they're going to be selling this sim on. What's most important about it is that everything feels real.
플린은 심을 사람이 아닌 기계로 구성했다는 사실에 의문을 품게 됩니다.
So why go and put machine underneath it?
또 다른 현실에 접속했을 수도 있다며 생각하는 플린.
In a real body, somewhere that's real.
이후 플린은 의문의 전화 한 통을 받게 됩니다.
Miss Fisher, I need you to listen very closely. Everything you believe about your experience with the headset is wrong. It's crucial that you log back into the sim.
심에 접속할 것을 요구하지만
Well, don't call it again.
Your life is at risk.
플린은 황급히 전화를 끊어버렸습니다. 그날 저녁 퇴근을 하려던 플린은 기이한 현상에 휘말립니다.
It's of critical importance that you sign back into the sim, Miss Fisher. Immediately. You are in grave danger, offering a $9 million bounty for a contract killing. There's reason to believe that you and your family are the intended target.
해킹 메시지를 받게 된 플린.
I cannot assist you in this emergency unless you sign back in. I repeat, I cannot assist you in this emergency unless you sign back in.
겁에 질린 플린은 도망치듯 나와 버턴에게 향합니다.
Barton!
Hey, Flynn. What's going on?
Someone from that company's trying to contact me. Milagros, whatever, the Colombian one. He said someone put a hit on us for $9 million on the darknet.
$900의 현상 수배자가 된 플린. 버턴은 플린의 말을 믿지 않고 코웃음을 칩니다.
Did he say why?
No, he didn't say why. He said I just need to sign in again so he can help us.
He's just trying to get you back into harness. Hey, grab that 12-pack from the fridge, would you?
You're too drunk to fetch it, you're too drunk to drink it.
Whatever's on your mind. Might as well go ahead and say it.
Connor.
What about him?
We all had warning and chose not to believe it. Like a $9 million bounty.
Still got those drones in your car?
결국 드론을 띄워보기로 하는 버턴과 친구들.
There's something I ought to know about?
Just an excess of caution.
Whoa.
그때 드론 화면에 믿을 수 없는 광경이 포착됩니다. 무장한 용병들이 은밀하게 집을 향해 접근하고 있었던 것입니다. 한편 가상현실에서 누군가에게 보고하는 데니얼.
His location and temporality complicate the situation, of course, but we've taken the necessary steps to eliminate the threat.
Has the offer been accepted?
Almost immediately.
By a reliable party?
Ex-military, elite unit, will be providing some assistance on the technical side.
Is anyone even remotely associated with him?
지시를 받고 플린 가족을 제거하기 위해 움직이는 용병.
Get Mama in the basement. Can you hack it?
I need a bunch of dumbass drunks around the fire. Not much motion.
버턴은 정찰 드론 해킹을 시도합니다.
Get it done, Reese, or we go without it.
Link me.
You
sorry motherfuckers have no idea who they just picked a fight with. Link. 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 You got your long guns?
Mama, wake up! Mama, get up!
그렇게 버턴의 싸움이 시작됩니다. 위치가 특정된 용병들에게 총격을 가합니다. 그런데 이때 한 용병이 집안까지 침입하고 다급히 숨겨놓은 총을 찾아내지만
Come on, fucker. Come on. Stop! Drop your fucking gun now!
버턴의 도움으로 플린은 무사할 수 있었습니다.
Mama?
It's all right. Just let through the whole thing.
Problem. Only seen 10 bodies. One's in the house. Counting, still 2 missing.
무언가 이상함을 감지하던 그 순간
They hacked us back.
용병들의 제습격이 시작됩니다.
Here too! Ain't about to be burning up that ridge if that's what you're thinking. Not asking you to. Will someone please tell me what the fuck is going on?
이때 코너가 나타나 나머지 용병들을 제압합니다.
Your little sister said I should stop by for a beer. She ain't say nothing about you throwing such a fun party though.
한편 레프 주보프란 남자가 윌프에게 의뢰를 맡깁니다.
Which would give you a sense of the urgency at play. The bounty. On the girl and her family, someone tried to claim it. So my technicals have built the girl a peripheral. I need you to get her inside it. Now. She's our best chance of finding Alita.
그는 아엘타를 찾길 바랬고 그러기 위해 플린이 꼭 필요했습니다.
I'm sorry, Flynn. I know this is the last thing you want to do, but we need the intel.
잠시 후 정보가 필요했던 플린은 스스로 가상현실에 접속합니다. 이번엔 버턴의 모습이 아닌 플린 자신의 모습으로 눈을 뜹니다. 자신의 모습에 놀라는 사이
If you'd like it altered in any way, we can easily accommodate you. I'm Wilf Netherson. I'll be as direct as possible, since neither of us has time for anything else. I'm trying to find a woman, Alita West. If I'm not mistaken, you might be the last person to have seen her.
You see, I'm thinking you should probably tell me why people are trying to come and kill me and my family first. And then, maybe I'll go and play your stupid missing lady sim.
You aren't playing a sim, Miss Fisher. You're inside what we call a peripheral. Telepresent. Let me show you.
이곳은 가상현실이 아닌 70년 뒤 런던의 실제 미래였죠.
This ain't London.
This is London. But London's 70 years from what you think of as the present.
That time traveled here? To future London?
No. If it were time travel, as you say, you'd be here physically. This is merely a matter of data transfer. Quantum tunneling is the technical term for it. You'd like my bona fides? Your mother. She has a brain tumor.
Don't really need to be from the future to know
It's going
that
to kill
one.
her in 4 weeks.
Doctor told her it won't do her in, so there's plenty of stuff in line ahead of that.
Has her pain been intensifying?
믿지 못하는 플린에게 어머니의 사망 기사를 보여줍니다.
We developed a drug to treat gliomas. Rather easily. It's like spraying a weed, more or less. I sent the formula to your pharmacy. They're printing it now.
But we can't afford Farmer John.
We wired payment direct to the pharmacy. Think on it, Miss Fisher. But with alacrity. You and your family, you remain in grave danger. Those men who came to kill you, they won't be the last.
접속을 마친 플린은 곧장 약국으로 향해 윌프가 보낸 치료제 일부를 입수하게 됩니다.
You want to tell me something, Mama? Patrick Leoma.
I'm sorry, Flynn. And the idea of stealing even 1 second from you, of weighing you down with sadness, when I could protect you.
윌프가 말한 병을 숨겨온 사실을 어머니에게 확인받는 플린.
This new drug, it's experimental.
What's the worst it could do, Flynn? Kill me a little quicker?
한편 버턴의 친구 토미는 순찰 중 기이한 현상을 목격합니다. 컵이 놓여있는 투명 차량을 발견하는 토미.
Fucking A.
차량을 수색하던 토미는 총탄을 발견합니다.
I could really use some intel right about now, if you got it.
You're not gonna blame me.
그 시각 플린은 버턴에게 페리퍼럴에서 겪었던 일을 이야기합니다.
This guy says. He says I witnessed something while I was there. Something that these folks are wanting to kill me.
I still don't see what's so hard to believe.
It's in the future. Burton. 2100.
I assume he gave you a reason to believe that.
하지만 쉽게 믿지 않는 버턴.
You check on Mama on your way up?
Claims she's fine. Leon says her vitals are out of whack. Like she's fighting something.
This guy, he gave me something for her. A drug. For a tumor. He says it'll cure her.
Well, fuck that, because we're not taking his word
I
on
gave
anything.
it to her.
You what?
He showed me her obituary, okay?
Flynn, you can't
She's
just
gonna
give
die
her...
in 4 weeks if we don't do nothing about
And
it.
you just believe that?
It was real, Burton. It felt real.
Felt real?
버턴은 윌프를 믿는 플린이 못마땅하기만 합니다.
God damn it, Burton. Why do you have to go and fuck things up all the time, huh?
잠시 후 정보를 얻기 위해 재차 페리퍼럴에 접속한 플린.
Where are we?
It belongs to Lev Zubov. That's him in the waistcoat.
So why are we here?
We're in Notting Hill to meet with Lev and his 2 technicals.
그곳에서 플린은 레프와 만나게 됩니다.
What happens to this thing when I'm not in it?
It has an 8-hour sleep cycle. The rest of the time, when you're off in your stub, it runs on AI.
My stub?
Our 2 timelines were identical until that moment of contact. At that point, they separated.
You're not helping at all.
Any moment you'd like to jump in.
Perhaps we should stick to the most urgent matters at hand and trust that the secondary details will fall into place.
Urgent, like the people coming to kill me and my family.
Or from our perspective, urgent being what happened to Elita West.
Why is she so important to y'all?
Alita worked for an entity called the Research Institute. Our duties there gave her access to your stub. We've been paying her to provide us with a trapdoor into it. Now that she's missing, we risk losing that connection.
아엘리타의 행방이 중요했던 이유를 알게 됩니다.
All it's gone and done is make her sicker.
It will accomplish what I promised, I assure you.
어머니의 상태에 대해 말하는 플린.
When will my mother get better?
Isn't it never that mad? Certainly absorbing.
They can encrypt their voices when they address each other. You'll grow accustomed to it.
I was simply informing Ash that the medication in question has a 57% efficacy rate.
Which means? The ability to produce a desired or intended result.
What does it mean for my mother?
We can't guarantee that the drug will work.
Well, I'm guessing spraying a weed means something pretty different in the future, huh?
플린은 어머니의 병을 완치시키는 조건으로 아엘리타를 찾는데 협력하겠다고 말합니다.
Make that happen. I'll start talking about your missing lady.
곧이어 현실 세계로 돌아온 플린.
Flynn!
Burton!
곧바로 자신의 오빠 버턴을 찾아 나섭니다.
You know what? That's a 6.8 SPC. We use those in the war on occasion.
한편 버턴에게 자문을 구하러 온 토미.
All the way out here, though? That seems a bit odd, don't it?
Whole damn thing seems pretty odd to me, Tommy.
Make sure to say hi to Flynn and your mama for me.
Yeah, I'll do that, Tommy.
What'd he say?
2 abandoned SUVs up the road a ways.
How the fuck is all this happening right now?
버턴을 찾은 플린은 보수 지급을 약속받은 사실을 알립니다.
Your buddies from the future gonna help us any, or are we on our own?
I guess they'll try to give us a warning before the next wave hits.
How much of a warning?
Much as they can manage. So they're sending money, though. A lot. $250,000.
그날 밤 코너의 집을 찾은 버턴.
Why don't you come a visiting?
버턴이 찾아오지 않아 서운한 마음을 보이는 코너.
God, so I figured I was gonna find you dead one of these days.
So why are you here now?
우울증에 빠진 그가 목숨을 끊는 모습을 보게 될까 찾아오지 못했었죠.
I could use a decent staff sergeant.
The other night when I was headed towards your place, I only saw one of them, but he had me scoped. There's only one reason I could guess why that boy would let me by. It's pity.
전우였던 코너가 부사관이 되어주길 바라는 버턴.
Tell me that firefight didn't make you happy, Bert. There it is. What you got going on out there?
Flynn took a trip to future London, saw something she wasn't supposed to. Now people from there are hiring folks to kill us.
I'm pretty fucked up, but not that fucked up.
I didn't say you had to believe me. You just need to help.
플린과 겪었던 일들을 말해주지만 코너는 믿지 않습니다.
Look, the offer's there if you want it. But the sober part is non-negotiable.
한편 게임을 즐기고 있는 피켓.
No esposa esta noche, señor. Flying free this evening, Manuel. And what is your name, honey?
Carmen.
피켓에게 수상한 남자가 다가옵니다.
Would you excuse us, señorita? You're quite a difficult man to contact, Mr. Pickett.
What the fuck is going on here?
We'd like to pay you $10 million to eliminate 2 members of your community.
Who are you? Homeland Security?
We're prepared to transfer 25% into your account now. The rest to be paid upon completion. The individuals' names in question are Flynn and Burton Fisher.
그는 거금을 건네며 플린과 버턴의 암살을 의뢰합니다.
You think I'm a fool? This is entrapment, asshole.
피켓이 낯선 남자의 의뢰를 거절하는 사이 플린은 윌프에 대해 조사해보기 시작합니다. 이때 아엘리타를 검색하자 알 수 없는 이상현상을 겪게 됩니다.
I'm afraid we might need to take a break from old Tropicana.
한편 의뢰를 거절했던 피켓에게 거액의 돈이 선입금됩니다.
Corbell.
그러자 고민에 빠지는 피켓.
Burton, get up here right now.
같은 시각 수상한 인기척을 느낀 플린.
What are you doing? You okay?
I was hungry. I can see you. I can see you.
시력을 잃었던 어머니의 건강이 회복되기 시작했죠. 다음날 절친 빌리앤에게 자신이 겪었던 일들을 털어놓습니다.
I feel like my head's about to explode. If they can tell you about your mama, they must know about you too.
I asked them, and they stonewalled me. I don't know why, but kind of makes me start to think that I ought to stop asking. One thing I know for sure, there's a lot less people in 70 years.
You really believe, don't you?
Yeah.
한편 버턴은 플린이 일하는 가게에서 무기를 준비합니다.
What are you doing?
You can't print this here.
We bought it this morning.
거액의 보수를 지급받은 버턴은 플린이 일하던 가게까지 인수해버렸죠.
I need to talk to you.
And you don't have time to work here anyway. They need you in London.
We gotta be a team here. You understand that? Otherwise, none of this shit's gonna work.
Agreed. What's up with your hand?
Nothing. It's just stiff. I don't know.
그 사이 그곳에 도착한 코너가 팀에 합류합니다.
Some dumb fuck said you might have a job for me.
Head inside, they'll get you sorted out.
이후 집으로 돌아가던 길.
You gonna share what's going on there?
I keep losing control of it. Just start squeezing without me meaning it to.
Headset?
Maybe. I told Billy Ann this morning.
Told her what?
Everything.
Why the fuck did you do that?
빌리앤에게 모든 것을 말했다는 플린의 고백에 버턴은 크게 분노합니다.
Billy Ann is the only friend that I got. Clearly, you got some other shit that you're brewing on that you want to say to piss me off.
You might just want to remember that when you tell Billy Ann something, you're telling Jasper too.
Yeah, okay. And I told her to keep it a fucking secret.
That's not how it works, Flynn.
Look how it works.
Jasper's uncle?
하필 빌리앤의 남편인 제스퍼는 마을의 권력자 피켓의 조카였기 때문이었죠. 한편 플린은 다시 한번 페리퍼럴에 접속합니다.
Please tell me you do not keep me in a box when I'm not here.
No. We're in the kitchen again.
We kidnapped the Mariel woman, stole her eyeball, used that to get into the underground place, got caught. Your Alita woman ran away while I got myself killed. Find out who the Mariel woman is and go from there.
Assistant security manager at the Research Institute, which was also Alita's place of employment.
마리엘이 리서치 인스티튜트 보안 부팀장이라는 사실과
What connection do you have to a man named Corbell Pickett?
None.
We've detected a considerable spike in interest from his IP address.
Interest in what?
You and your family.
Which would lead us to believe that someone from here might have contacted him, in the hopes of recruiting him to harm you.
피켓이 미래의 누군가에게 의뢰를 받은 사실을 알게 됩니다.
You keep looking for Alita, and I'll be back in an hour.
현실로 돌아와 정보를 버턴에게 공유하는 플린.
I'll take care of Pickett.
Burton, you can't go and kill Corbell Pickett in cold blood.
He said he was planning to kill us.
That ain't who we are.
The Corps actually spent a lot of money making me exactly that kind of person.
You'll talk to me first, before you make any decisions.
Agreed.
플린이 버턴에게 뒷일을 맡기는 사이
And that goes for Connor too.
윌프 역시 홀로 어딘가로 향합니다. 어린 시절 고아였던 아엘리타와 윌프.
How old are you, darling?
I'll be 10 in 27 days. Wolf is 8.
Would you like to come and live with us in Oxfordshire?
Can Wolf come?
We were only planning to adopt one.
Well, perhaps in that
I'm
case
not going without Wolf.
Say we wanted to call you by a different name. Something a little more traditional, like, Wilfred. Would that be okay?
I could be Wilfred.
Good boy.
두 사람은 함께 입양되어 자란 친남매나 다름없는 사이였죠.
Wilfred.
Hello, Mom.
어머니를 만난 윌프는
When was she last here?
A month ago. I was in St. James. Came out of Wilton's, practically ran right into her. I asked her where she was staying. She took on that rather unattractive, haughty air that she can sometimes assume and said, where snow last fell in London.
그녀가 남겼다는 알 수 없는 의문의 수수께끼를 전해 듣게 됩니다.
Said that if I'd ever bothered to pay the slightest degree of attention, I'd know precisely what she meant. But you paid attention, Wilfred. And do you know what she meant?
그 시각 플린은 다시 페리퍼럴에 접속해 윌프와 합류합니다.
Welcome back. I programmed the car to move in a grid with Buckingham Palace at its center.
아엘리타를 만났던 장소를 다시 추적하기 시작하는 두 사람.
What happened to her? Mariel. I'm not asking you that so you can make me feel better, Wolf.
She appears to have vanished.
Alita killed her?
Either Alita or the RI. They don't take fondly to security lapses there, I'm afraid.
마리엘이 인간이었다는 사실에 죄책감을 갖는 플린.
You go that way, I'll go here. We can link up so you can see what I'm seeing. When you do, swipe. Tap your thumb and forefinger.
감각 공유 프로그램을 통해 두 사람은 연결되고
It's set to full sensory, not just visual and oral.
This is the weirdest fucking thing I've ever felt. I mean, it's like I'm part of you? Does it work both ways?
You're all rainbows and unicorns, Miss Fisher.
Fuck off.
따로 흩어져서 아엘리타의 행방을 찾기 시작합니다. 그렇게 두 사람이 미래에서 아엘리타의 행방을 쫓는 사이
I think Mr. Pickett and I are overdue for a discussion.
버턴 역시 움직이기 시작합니다.
How can I be of assistance?
I've got a carrot and I've got a stick, Mr. Pickett. How much did they promise for you to make me and my sister dead?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Going rate a few nights ago was $9 million.
What are you mixed up in?
Nothing that'll encroach on your line of business, I promise. But I can offer you $200,000 a week just to leave us the fuck alone.
피켓을 찾아가 제안을 하는 버턴.
I'm curious about the stick.
You know what these are? The Corps targets rural towns for haptic recruitment. Kids who grew up together offer ready-made small unit cohesion. Plug the haptics in, you got a unified organism.
같은 부대의 햅틱 병사들끼리는 모든 감정과 감각을 느낄 수 있었죠.
Generally, I wasn't even aware of what I was doing. Like a hand wouldn't be. If you get my meaning.
But if there's a moral in it, I believe I missed it.
If anything happens to me or my sister, and you're behind it, you ought to have your affairs in order. Because I'm not just me now. I'm all the men I served with.
That's your best stick?
That's my fucking stick.
그렇게 피켓에게 강력한 경고를 날리는 버턴.
200 a week sound good?
피켓은 결국 버턴의 제안을 받아들이며 한 발 물러섭니다. 한편 미래 거대 기업 연구소 리서치 인스티튜트의 대표 셰리즈는
You're taking too much time.
플린의 처리가 늦어지자 데니얼을 압박합니다.
It presents unique challenges, I'm well aware. It seems there ought to be a simpler way to kill a girl, isn't it? What about our problems in the here and now?
It appears that Alita West went to school with Grace Hogarth. They were roommates for a year.
Always been quite fond of Grace.
I can address it if you like.
No, I will.
Dr. Newland?
Thank you for popping by on such short notice.
셰리즈는 아엘리타의 룸메이트였던 그레이스 박사까지 따로 불러냅니다.
The data you're bringing back from the stub may save us all one day. Alita West, does she count as one?
I suppose we boarded together in school.
그레이스가 회사의 1급 기밀을 누설했다는 의심을 굳힌 셰리즈.
How do you suppose someone ingrained in Lagoons might become aware of our stub research division?
She was curious, so I have. It's not as if I shared anything of substance, Doctor.
If you feel compelled to share a secret, I mean a really important secret, an existentially important one, then you should dig a grave first.
For who?
For whom, dear?
그녀는 한치의 망설임도 없이
There's a chemical in the tea. As your body processes it, your sweat begins to mimic a pheromone hornet's release.
Dr. Newland, please. Please don't. I beg you, please don't. I'll do anything.
손쉽게 그레이스를 없애버립니다.
Alita says I'm likely not to exist in 10 years.
When we find Alita, you can ask her, because I have no idea.
그 시각 아엘리타의 흔적을 추적하던 두 사람에게 예상치 못한 위기가 찾아옵니다.
Speaking of which, is there any reason I should be worried about the police?
Walk in an unhurried manner. I'll approach from the opposite direction. Please tell me the peripheral is registered.
It is, with a few frowned upon augmentations.
Okay, right, and you couldn't tell me that before I stepped out with it.
불법 기능이 추가된 페리퍼럴 때문에 경찰에게 쫓기게 되는 플린.
Follow my lead, and when you see me touch my chin, ask if you can go home.
Identity, sir.
Wilf Netherton.
Confirmed.
And this is Rainey Portis, in the peripheral. If you check, I think you'll see I applied for a remote visit visa in her name, 2 of which have been used, this being the 3rd.
A 3rd visit was neither requested nor approved. Please surrender the peripheral immediately for inspection and deconstruction.
You'll be wondering why we exited the vehicle, I suppose. On Rainey's first 2 visits, she mentioned how the peripheral didn't look much like her. Wanted me to rent a different model next time she came to London. It was modeled on an ex-girlfriend, and it seemed easier to just keep using it, which was lazy of me and wrong. She said I must not respect her if I ignored her requests so cavalierly.
상황을 파악한 윌프는 자연스럽게 위기를 넘깁니다.
I believe I'm starting to have feelings for this woman, or at least I'm feeling the possibility of feelings, if you follow my drift.
아찔한 기지 덕분에 가까스로 위기를 모면한 플린과 윌프.
May I go home now, Constable?
Yes, ma'am.
그날 밤
Hey, what's it feel like? Link up with your haptics?
접속을 마친 플린은 버턴에게 윌프와 있던 일을 공유합니다.
Well, I think I did it. I guess something similar to it. With Wilf.
Takes training to handle a merge. 2 souls coming together as one can kind of feel a lot like love if you don't know any better. Haptic drift. That's what they call it.
Right.
한편 약속대로 버턴에게 $200,000를 받아 챙긴 피켓.
From the Fisher family. You find it at all surprising, them paying me $200,000?
A little bit, I'll be honest, yeah.
What if I told you they're planning to keep doing it?
I don't know, I suppose I'd wonder where all the money was coming from.
You are a smart young man, Jasper. I think they've gotten themselves involved in something that's maybe a tad bigger than they can handle. The more I know, the more I can watch out for the Fishers. So you wouldn't want anything bad to happen to them?
피켓이 버턴과 플린이 어떠한 일에 연루된 건지 알아오라고 시키는 사이 플린은 또다시 페리퍼럴에 접속합니다.
Welcome back.
It ain't real. Is it?
Alita left a clue as to her potential whereabouts. She was always fond of riddles.
아엘리타가 남긴 수수께끼를 공유하는 윌프.
Where Snow last fell in London.
My mother had a painting. Over her bureau it said, Battle of the Abbey, the spot where Harold fell. You don't think that I mean, Snow could be a person.
One of Alita's intellectual heroes, an English doctor. He discovered how cholera spread. Where did Jon Snow die?
At 18 Sackville Street.
Let's go. To where Snow last fell in London.
특정 장소를 교묘하게 숨겨놓은 정교한 암호임을 알아챕니다.
I've arrived.
마침내 아엘리타와 만났던 장소를 찾아내는데 성공합니다.
Someone got here before us.
하지만 아엘리타의 모습은 그 어디에도 보이지 않았고 플린은 그곳에서 자신의 집에 있는 것과 똑같이 생긴 시계를 발견합니다.
We have one of those back at home.
The exact same.
Yeah. Ours is broken too. It stopped after my dad died.
What time is your clock set to?
2:15.
윌프가 시계의 시간을 맞추자 숨겨졌던 문이 드러납니다. 그렇게 발견한 장소는 마리엘의 눈을 이식했던 수술실이었죠.
What happened to him?
Peripherals. Abandoned for days without a nutrient bath. Ash and Ossian should be able to trace the connections back to their operators.
이때 플린의 집을 형상화한 미니어처 모형을 발견하고
Burton. What is it?
It's an implant.
윌프가 아엘리타의 이식 장치까지 발견하게 됩니다.
She must have removed it after the attack, so she couldn't be traced. We should go.
나가려던 바로 그 순간
Welcome back, Miss Fisher.
이들의 뒤를 밟은 데니얼이 기습해옵니다.
Remember this. I assume you're thinking, kill me, then game over, right?
위기에 빠진 두 사람.
Hurts a little, don't it? Good. What do you want with me, huh? Answer me!
She won't stop. Not till you're dead.
그리고 상황을 원격으로 지켜보던 셰리즈.
You took something.
What?
쓸데없이 말만 많은 데니얼을 제거해버립니다.
An implant and 2 peripheral CPUs? Is this all that's left of Alita?
기습 사건 이후 데니얼의 시신을 완벽하게 처리하지 못했던 일행은
And your DNA, we must presume, is scattered rather liberally all over the place. At the very least, you must gird yourself for the harsh reality of Alita's death. Without the immunity boost of her implant,
아엘리타가 이미 사망했을지도 모른다는 최악의 가능성에 직면합니다. 한편 접속 부작용으로 인해 몸의 이상 증세가 점점 심해져만 가는 플린. 그때 얼마 전 피켓과 만난 버턴이 걱정돼 토미가 남매를 찾아옵니다.
Saw you and Corbell Pickett shaking hands down in Jimmy's. It had me a bit concerned, so thought I'd come by for a visit. Just make clear, here's a friend, not as a deputy.
Appreciate that, Tommy. You don't have to worry about us.
What about you, Flynn? You okay?
Yeah, we both are.
And Burton, try to remember. Part about me being your friend.
진실을 말할 수 없던 남매는 적당한 거짓말로 그를 돌려보내는데요.
Fucking hate it, Burton. Lying to him like that, I mean, I can't keep doing it.
There's a dozen dead bodies out back. It's easy for Tommy to say he's our friend, as long as he doesn't know about them.
You can't really deny that we need some help right now.
You two tangled up in this.
Tangled up in what?
하지만 오랜 시간 토미를 짝사랑해왔던 플린은
Have you been going through my fucking trash?
It was right there, Flynn.
You need to leave. Go! Hey!
평소와 달리 감정을 주체하지 못하고 극도로 흥분하기 시작합니다.
Hey, it was me who picked up the pieces after Dad died. And when Mama got sick, and then when your ass got home, that was me, Burton. It was all fucking me. I had nothing. I had nothing, just Sims and a stupid fucking crush, and I know it's dumb, okay? I'm not an idiot.
Lynn.
But it mattered to me. It mattered to me because it fucking helped. And you had no fucking right at all, no right to come in my room and say that shit to me.
끝내 발작을 일으키며 바닥에 쓰러지고 말죠.
Voice scan and sense of self, please. I'll take care of the rest.
그 시각 셰리즈는 죽은 데니얼을 대체할 인공지능 로봇을 만들어냅니다.
I'll handle it from here. Poor Daniel. This is our most recent model, if that's any solace. What do we have from your unfortunate encounter of mortality the other night?
Wilf Netherton, adopted brother to Alita West, also known associate of Lev Zubov.
There's our Klepp connection at last.
이 사건에 윌프와 레프가 깊게 연관되어 있음을 눈치챈 그녀.
Tell me, where can I find Lev Zubov now?
Subject geolocated in Virginia water.
사태가 심각해지자 플린을 데리고 다급히 병원을 찾은 버턴.
The way Burton is describing what happened makes it sound like a classic tonic-clonic seizure. But if that were the case, I ought to be seeing the after effect on your EEG. This all looks perfectly healthy. I'll run your blood work, get you in for a CT scan at the Hefty Mart. Call me if there's anything unusual.
Sure thing, Danny. Thank you.
다행히 큰 이상이 없다는 진단에 CT의 약만 잡고 돌아왔고 어릴 적 가족 영상을 보며 안정을 취합니다.
What are you playing?
Nothing, actually. Just watching a home movie.
Which one?
One of the old ones.
I'm not saying you shouldn't do it.
잠시 후 상태가 좋지 않은 플린을 대신해
But I do want to see what it's like. I get that. And I wouldn't mind seeing myself.
This shit is harming Flynn. Then someone's gotta go there and knock those assholes back on their fucking heels.
페리퍼럴에 접속해 상황을 파악하려는 버턴.
Like you don't want to hear it, but if you end up WIA,
She's
we're all...
got a body when she goes in there. A real one.
한편 클랩트의 대표 레프 주보프의 저택에 셰리즈가 찾아옵니다.
You stole something from me.
If someone theoretically stole something, one would think that you would go to the police. You didn't want the Met to find out about this theoretically stolen thing. What is it you're missing, by the way?
You seem to be forgetting quite a bit of vital information recently, including the real politique that governs us all. The Klept oligarchy, through the application of extreme violence, managed to bring order from the chaos of the jackpot. The Met Police keeps the Klept from straying beyond certain implicit boundaries. Benefits from the peace and prosperity that results. It's a wondrous edifice we've managed to construct. But it's also rather fragile, I'm afraid. The end of the world, Lev. Yuri Samsonov was a friend once, wasn't he? But also rather a relevant example in terms of our three. The Met Police resolved the problem with the technical assistance of the RI. It was the Klept who handed Yuri over, someone he trusted. Kiss to the cheek of Samsonov DNA, the entire lineage, eaten away to nothing. I hope so. I hope you're thinking, my, what a powerful weapon, and it's just been sitting in the RI all these years, waiting.
과거 레프의 친구가 어떠한 최후를 맞이했는지 경고하는 셰리즈.
Have a lovely day.
Flynn?
팽팽한 긴장감 속 상황 파악을 위해 코너가 플린의 몸에 접속합니다.
Who the fuck are you?
Kitty Adler. You're fine.
What's happening? Fucking Pulse. Hack the connection. Flynn.
Friend of the brothers, the triple amputee.
그는 순식간에 저택 안을 아수라장으로 만들어버리는데요.
You okay, buddy? Hey, Connor. What do you need? Tell us what to do. Send me back.
한편 가족과의 추억에 빠진 플린에게 윌프가 찾아옵니다.
This is a private space, Mr. Netherton. I don't remember inviting you here.
I wanted to address some issues that have arisen.
코너를 통해 플린의 발작 증상을 알게 된 윌프.
What are these issues that have arisen?
Your friend made a visit. Connor, in your peripheral. He informed us of your seizure, but she seems to believe the headset caused it.
And I bet you're here to tell me it didn't.
Well, I have no idea if it did.
Lev Zubov. That exists in my time.
What did you find?
Him, his wife, his children, daughters, sons, they were all murdered, shot. The house was set on fire. Pretty gruesome stuff, but no connection to your Lev.
윌프는 플린의 세계에 있는 레프 일가족이 모두 살해당했다는 소식을 전해 듣습니다.
Get your scan. In the meantime, we'll investigate the headset. We'll only ask you to return if it's safe. Give you my word. There's one thing I haven't shared. Alita. She's my sister.
그는 아엘리타가 자신의 친누나라는 충격적인 비밀을 고백하고 이를 계기로 두 사람은 서로에게 한 걸음 더 솔직해지기 시작합니다.
I take it you have good cause for this intrusion?
I met with our Poles. She shared some unexpected information.
곧장 래프에게 달려가 그의 일가족이 몰살당했다는 소식을 전해보지만
All of them. They were killed a few weeks ago. Brutally.
어째서인지 그는 슬퍼하긴커녕 눈 하나 깜빡하지 않았습니다.
Someone targeted them, Lev. Someone from here, I presume.
What do you think I was paying Alita to do for me?
I have no idea.
We wanted to learn how to open a stub of our own. Why would we want anything? There's money to be made.
사실 래프는 더 큰 부를 축적하기 위해
My brother Alexei purchased a pharmaceutical concern. Even with AI, at some point one has to test a new drug on a human population.
So you tested it out in a stub?
Yes, that's just a for instance.
미래에선 금지된 불법 임상시험을 스톱에서 하기 위해 아엘리타가 필요했죠.
The idea of different versions of myself in another world, the existential nihilism of it. I just couldn't abide it.
You killed your family?
No, not personally. No, of course not. No, I transferred funds and hired the appropriate personnel.
이렇듯 피도 눈물도 없는 잔혹한 본색이 드러나는 사이
Was there anything else you wanted to share?
현실 속 플린의 감각 이상 증세는 갈수록 심각해집니다.
A person with manners might knock.
Thank you.
Is there a reason you're here, or?
I'm looking for advice, actually.
결국 오빠와 코너를 찾아가 조언을 구하는 그녀.
What the hell do I do with all that?
Never saw one you couldn't master. What's the first thing you do when you get in a sim?
Break script. Do the exact opposite of what's expected.
And then?
Figure out the rule set.
And then?
I take control.
Fuck yeah. Let's do that. You and me. Go in there.
Not without me, motherfuckers. Not this time.
You are so full of shit, Burton. You just want to see it.
Because you're not going back in there till we get your seizure sorted out.
I want to go back, Burton. Okay? I need to. So you go on ahead and call Macon and Edward. I'll get you bodies. Both of you.
굳은 다짐과 함께 다시 페리퍼럴에 접속합니다.
Flynn? The children, inside, now. What are you doing here?
How long does it take to make one of these?
Why?
Because I need one. For Connor. Another one for Burton, too.
Where are you going?
You see, sim jockeys tend to have a specialty. I'm an explorer, Ash. So I think now's a pretty good time to start.
Cut our connection.
Working on it, love. But the Poles are countering. Rather adeptly, I'm afraid.
주도권을 뺏기 위한 해킹 싸움이 시작되고
She's leaving.
Best follow, don't you think?
Where in the bloody hell is Zubov?
Rahat say he's heavy, do get a heart, he's come now wandering.
Alert him. If you want a tour of the city, I can happily.
Show me exactly what you want me to see, no thank you. It's not really exploring now, is it?
숨겨진 진실을 파헤치고자 직접 탐험 모드에 돌입하죠.
The Polt has made an unscheduled visit. Mr. Netherton's assistance might be in order.
I'll send him straight there.
Not here, I'm afraid. More toward Paddington.
You're overcomplicating this as usual. You just gotta keep him out of
I'm aware how a hacker battle works, okay? Never lost.
What happened to the people, Ash?
We call it the jackpot. Even now they're still arguing about when it technically began.
결국 애쉬는 훗날 벌어질 대재앙 잭팟에 대해 입을 열기로 합니다.
Nice place for a stroll.
She has a right to know, Mr. Netherton.
Send me the damn code.
What is this?
Each of these shapes represents a different phase of the jackpot.
A hack of the North American electrical grid. Across the globe.
That's just 7 years off in my world.
Pandemic, a filovirus. We called it the blood plague. It attacked the viscera, the liver, spleen, intestines, filling with blood till the abdomen burst.
과거 플린이 살던 시대부터 끔찍한 전염병과 기후위기로 생태계가 완전히 붕괴되었고
Agricultural collapse followed. A bit more than 7 billion people. Over 4 decades or so.
그로부터 40년 만에 인류 70억 명이 사망하는 대참사가 벌어졌던 것입니다.
A domestic terrorist attack in the United States. They blew up a nuclear missile silo.
그 잔혹한 재앙의 끝자락엔
That's where I live.
하필 고향 마을에 떨어진 핵미사일 테러까지 있었죠. 참혹한 인류의 종말을 지켜본 플린의 접속이 종료됩니다.
Whoa, Jesus. I missed you too. What are you doing? Just saying hello.
과거 그레이스를 찾아온 아엘리타.
Chance to have a drink? Long time's sake? One drink and then I'm off. So whatever you want to say, I suggest you get straight to it. Tell me about your job. My job? Yeah. What mysteries do you oversee down there in your secret burrow with the big steel door?
아엘리타는 어째서인지 그레이스가 하는 일이 궁금했습니다.
We call it the God Font. I can access anything here.
신의 분수에서는 과거에 마음대로 접속할 수 있었고
We have over 8,000 studies running.
Researching what?
It'd be difficult to name a field without a foothold.
무려 8,000개가 넘는 다양한 실험을 하고 있었습니다.
But the truly exciting stuff, the hush-hush saving the world shit, that comes from our behavioral mod department,
그리고 비밀리에 진행 중이던
which bid on a contract with the American military to install haptic implants in personnel, our tech.
To what end?
Watch. This one's fun.
상상을 초월하는 인류 통제 실험의 충격적인 실체를 보여줍니다.
They've been told enemy forces are planning to use injured animals to draw them into the open. So, what would these highly trained young men do if a wounded dog were to appear in front of their position?
Shoot it.
If our implants subtly goosed the subject's neural chemistry.
Which one?
All of them.
그것은 인간의 고유한 정신과 기억, 데이터까지 마음대로 조작할 수 있는 기술이었습니다.
Stop already happened, love. Long ago. I mean, you could imagine the implications. Implementing a similar modification on a societal level.
I mean, they're people. They're real people.
So frighteningly good.
눈앞에서 펼쳐진 끔찍한 실체를 목격하고 충격에 휩싸인 아엘리타.
Good evening.
Wait.
신의 분수를 빠져나오던 중 보안팀장 마리엘과 마주칩니다.
Would you mind explaining your presence here where you assuredly have no fucking right to be?
Well, then perhaps you can explain why you're addressing an old and rather dear friend of mine in such an unacceptably rude manner.
Her presence on this floor would seem to require...
We met upstairs, but I forgot my jacket. So I brought her back down with me, under my supervision and as my guest. You may file a report on the matter if you wish, but please take care to sign your name.
I don't think that will be necessary, Doctor. But I will ask that you not do this again.
Excuse me. I just want to say you have the most extraordinary eyes.
And I'm lost in a daydream.
한편 피트 코신스키라는 남자가 의문의 소포를 받게 됩니다.
We're taking a walk outside. I've been dreaming since I woke up.
$10 million, Bob. 25% has already been deposited into your account.
그때 데니얼에게 걸려온 전화를 받게 된 피트.
I haven't got the slightest idea what you're talking about.
I'm talking about Bob the Butcher O'Connell.
알고 보니 피트의 본명은 밥 오코넬.
Racked up quite an impressive body count before fleeing the country.
도살자라고 불리던 전설적인 킬러였습니다.
Seriously, buddy, you got the wrong number.
Maybe tell him about your daughter. In that little bungalow of hers. Do I have your attention now, Bob?
밥의 딸을 들먹이기 시작하는 데니얼.
Who'd you want dead?
그날 밤 밥은 옛 친구 프랭크를 만나러 향합니다.
I might have let it slide, Frank, you know, for old time's sake. If you'd left her out of it.
The way the guy laid it out.
사실 프랭크 역시 데니얼에게 먼저 의뢰를 받았지만
He said it was you or me. I ain't proud of myself, Bobby.
엮이기 싫었던 그는 밥과 그의 딸에 대한 정보를 넘겨버렸던 것이었죠.
Mr. O'Connell. Holy shit. Yeah, we thought it was you.
I think we'll walk Mr. O'Connell to his car.
I loved you like a brother, Frank.
순식간에 쓸어버리는 밥.
Mr. O'Connell, your targets will be here tomorrow morning for a medical procedure that should take no longer than an hour. The rest, I leave to you, Bob.
데니얼은 타깃인 플린의 스케줄을 공유해줍니다. 다음 날 발작으로 인해 정밀 뇌검사를 받고 있던 플린.
It's bacterial. The oddest thing I've ever encountered. Extremely localized in her occipital lobe.
검사 결과 플린의 후두엽에서 박테리아가 발견됐다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
It looks scarier than it is. All right, you might feel some pressure here.
Mm-hmm.
There. Wasn't so bad, was it?
Just peachy.
같은 시각 병원 근처에 도착해 차가 고장난 척 남매를 기다리는 밥. 그때 플린의 절친 빌리 앤이 고장난 차를 발견하고 멈춰섭니다.
You all right, sir? You want me to take a look?
Well, that's awfully kind of you, young lady, but I've already called it in.
특유의 오지랖을 부리며 말을 건네는 빌리 앤.
I can maybe save you whatever ransom he'll end up charging.
I appreciate it, but I'll take my chances.
This wouldn't be one of those situations where you're looking at me and thinking I can't fix a car because I'm a woman, would it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, good luck to you, sir.
다시 돌아가던 차를 멈춰 세운 그 순간
What happened?
Gravel truck overturned, almost like getting hit by buckshot.
You're having quite a day.
You're telling me.
마침내 병원 진료를 마친 남매가 다리에 도착합니다.
If you let Burton Fisher touch this engine when you wouldn't let me, I might have to just go and shoot you both.
Tell me you didn't run into this man with that tired-looking truck of yours, Billy Ann.
Just trying to be a good Samaritan here, Burton. But some folks can't seem to believe a woman might know how to fix a car.
I apologize for all the fuss.
무기를 들고 다가오는 킬러 팝.
Shoot him. Shoot him now.
바로 그때 위기의 순간 버턴의 순발력으로 살아남은 두 사람.
You okay?
Burton. Burton! Shit!
Burton!
그리고 또다시 위기에 빠진 그 순간
Pretty good with a shotgun, too. Want to see? Next one's in the head, old man.
샷건을 쏘며 밥을 제압하는 데 성공한 빌리 앤. 경찰의 등장에 밥은 순순히 체포되는 길을 택합니다.
Flint? No ID, no registration. Makes it feel like he was expecting a fight, don't it? Sort of like Burton seems to be. Driving around, all geared up like he's still off in Texas.
If he wanted him dead, Tommy, you know he would have done it.
But I can't help thinking, or it's just some bullets flying without a corpse.
We're not doing anything wrong, okay?
계속해서 벌어지는 일들에 플린이 진실을 말해주길 바라는 토미.
But I need your help.
I'm sorry, Tommy.
Guess you better head on home.
하지만 진실을 말할 수 없던 플린은 현장을 벗어납니다.
Flynn, talk to me, sweet pea.
Can't dwell on the past, Flynn. Gotta focus on what's in front of us.
How, Burton? When they're always about 10 steps ahead of us.
혹시나 제스퍼의 귀에 들어갈까 말을 아끼는 버턴.
No need to censor yourself around me, Burton. I know more than you think.
And I guess you can see how maybe there's a conflict of interest at play here, Billy Ann.
I think we can agree we're both interested in Flynn's well-being.
It's not you I'm concerned about.
Jasper would never harm a soul. Let alone Flynn. Never. I'm a phone call away.
Thank you.
It's getting real hard to keep this under wraps.
Billy Ann ain't the problem.
Tommy and his sheriff badge ain't the solution. Should have closed that loop on the bridge.
Yeah, well, you didn't.
주변의 눈을 피해 비밀을 유지하는 것이 점차 힘들어지던 무렵
Where's Mama? Mama! Oh no, Burton. The bodies.
Shit.
시력이 돌아온 엄마가 용병들을 묻어놓은 마당을 보게 됩니다.
Medicine sent from the future.
Just the formula for it. They sent it to Farmer John to print.
The idea that the worst thing a person can do is grow dependent on some outsider.
결국 어머니는 모든 걸 알게 됩니다.
Now, I'm putting aside all the traveling to the future part because I suppose I'll need to think on that for a while before I find a way to accept it. But the dependency seems simple enough. And it makes me worry for all of us.
We need to talk this through. We don't even know if that headset is safe.
And how safe is it here? Sitting around just waiting for someone to come and get us.
곧바로 페리퍼럴에 접속해 윌프를 찾아간 플린.
A whole new person. And they had one of those sonic punch things like the guy from the research institute had. You were supposed to let us know if somebody else was coming to kill us. Except you can't only not do that, but you didn't even know what happened after the fact. So much for your living in the future wisdom bullshit, huh?
Flynn, what happened?
계속되는 암살 시도에 답답함을 느낀 플린은 감정을 주체하지 못했고
The other day when we went walking and you linked up with me. Were you trying to confuse me? My emotions, I guess, with the haptic drift stuff.
I don't know what that means.
Alpha.
I'm sorry, Miss Fisher. I honestly...
I'm starting to trust you.
다시 한번 윌프를 믿어도 되는지 확인하게 됩니다. 한편 체포된 밥을 경찰서로 호송하던 토미.
Though maybe they'll live in part 2, depending on how this plays out. Now you can take me back to the station, you can book me, you can put my prints in the system, swab my DNA, and you set a clock ticking on me for certain. But on you too. Someone said they would kill my daughter if I didn't. Who? A voice on the phone. Doesn't matter who.
그런데 그 순간 알 수 없는 충격에 휩쓸려 처참하게 전복되는 차량. 수상한 남자는 의식이 없는 밥을 납치해 달아납니다. 한편 이번 일의 주동자가 셰리즈였다는 사실을 알게 된 플린.
I fear I've made a mistake agreeing to bring you here.
I want Charisse to know what it feels like to be hunted.
This isn't fending off an attacker. It's being the assailant yourself, which carries a far heavier weight.
How would you even know? You're always off in some corner, watching, aren't you?
Don't go over there. Unless you realize what you might have to do.
셰리즈와의 정면 돌파를 선택한 플린은 그녀를 직접 마주합니다.
Has my face been scanned?
Of course. I can only spare a minute or less, so perhaps we'll get straight down to business. How can I be of help?
The fuck did I ever do to you?
Stick your fingers, dear. You absconded with some rather vital data.
I played my game and died. Got sent home. In game.
So, Elita West still has it?
I don't know who the fuck has it. And quite frankly, I don't give a shit. I just need you to leave me and my family alone.
플린은 가족을 건드리지 말 것을 요구하지만
Either way, your death continues to be my only viable goal.
Now, what makes you so certain I won't kill you?
No, I'm in a peripheral of my own.
That doesn't mean I can't deal you an awful lot of pain.
하지만 하찮게 도발하는 미래의 절대 권력자 셰리즈.
Do you feel it? The preparation for when I kill you. And it's real.
I got a foothold in your world now. So next time, I'm coming for you instead.
분노한 플린은 결국 셰리즈에게 참교육을 시전합니다. 과거 2028년 텍사스.
One of you idiots goes ahead and tries, I'll knock your fucking teeth out just so we're clear.
Someone's got to do something, because I can't take much more of that shit.
Texas is using wounded dogs to draw us into the open. Fucked up dog parked right in front of us. It's pretty open and shut to me, don't you think?
군 복무 중이던 버턴과 햅틱 병사들은 다친 강아지를 구할 것인가를 두고 논쟁을 벌입니다.
Come on, baby boy. We ain't taking 5 in 19 days.
Don't even think about it. Connor! Fuck. 12 o'clock.
만료에도 불구하고 위험을 감수하며 과감하게 뛰어드는 코너. 강아지를 구하려던 바로 그 순간
Hey there, champ. Let me just...
강아지의 몸속에 폭약이 숨겨져 있었습니다.
I'm here, man. Okay?
한편 평화롭게 산책 중이던 미래 런던의 경찰 로비어 경위.
You do recall I don't like to be interrupted on my daily constitutional, Beatrice.
Yes, Mom.
I assume this is about the recent disturbance at the Research Institute.
Indeed, Mom. There's been a murder in Sackville Street involving a peripheral and a coid. I'd inform you that the victim is the Research Institute's head of security, one Daniel Cook.
Killed by a coid?
Indeed. Throat slashed.
목이 잘려나간 채 발견된 데니얼 살해 사건을 맡게 됩니다.
I suppose we best get busy.
그 시각 의문의 차 사고 현장에서 살아 돌아온 토미.
Sure.
Must have had a pretty special guardian angel looking after you, my friend. Look here, Tommy. I'm gonna need you to take some time off. Paid leave. You need to rest up, get your head right.
토미의 상사인 잭맨은 그에게 휴가를 제안하고
Let me hit you with a little bit of advice. Learn how to control it. Too much for good things gonna burn you out. Now I got some business of my own to take care of.
우연히 잭맨의 신발을 바라보던 토미는 밥을 납치한 괴한의 신발과 똑같다는 사실에 충격을 받게 됩니다.
I'm embarrassed to admit how anxious I was when you vanished through that door to confront Therese.
You're just a normal guy, aren't you?
한편 미래의 페리퍼럴에 접속해 있던 플린.
Hey, how come everybody here just stays so distant from us? What I mean is they never really wandered close.
It's an augmentation. It's technology developed by the Research Institute.
Holy shit.
잭팟 이후 황량해진 미래 세계의 풍경을 마주하는 동시에
Makes the world a bit less bleak. Honestly, one forgets it's even happening. It's just there, like the weather.
Everything else is real though, right?
Some of the buildings are filled in. The ones they haven't gotten around to refabricating as yet.
리서치 인스티튜트가 개발한 기술에 다시 한번 깊은 충격을 받게 되죠.
If the RA's doing shit like this right out in the open, what are they doing in secret? Therese said that I copied data from her that night. She's gonna keep trying to kill me till she gets it back.
The fabricator we're going to see might be able to help. He built Alita's peripherals for her, so it's possible he'll know where she is.
That night, when Alita pressed my up against that thing, I felt something. Is there any way that Alita could have downloaded data into the stub?
Theoretically. But she would need to download it into something in your world.
몰려드는 의문을 뒤로 한 채 페리퍼럴을 만든 제작자를 만나러 향합니다.
Will it be then?
You see, the guy who built this, he assured me that it was better than anything you could ever do.
플린은 제작자 레지의 자존심을 긁으며 도발을 감행하고
And who the fuck might this person be?
I'm not saying that I believe him. I'm just repeating what he said to me. Oh, you see, he promised me my money back. So I figured, hell, why not give you a shot?
I don't come cheap.
Money won't be an issue.
도발에 성공한 플린은 레지를 따라갑니다. 레지가 플린의 페리퍼럴 몸 상태를 확인하던 순간
We have a new add-on I'm rather tickled by. Titanium fingernails, retractable. Scratch away if a stone house if you want.
What about eyes?
What do you want, night vision, thermal?
What if I want to replace one with a human eye?
사람의 눈을 이식할 수 있냐며 자극하기 시작합니다. 결국 싸움이 벌어지는데 가상 전투로 단련된 플린은 압도적인 실력으로 순식간에 그들을 제압해버립니다.
Tell us about this woman.
You can start talking, Reggie. Or I can start cutting.
What do you think they'd do to me?
Who?
The neoprims. They don't muck around with something like this. Cut my tongue out, they would.
What do neoprims have to do with this?
Oh, Jesus, lad. She had me build it so someone could carve out its eye, put in a human one. Who else but a neoprim would know how to do that? Old-time surgery and a scalpel.
이 과정에서 아엘리타가 네오프림과 연관되어 있다는 사실이 드러납니다.
Can't go out like that.
You didn't tell me that Alita was a neoprim.
I didn't know.
Sorry, Wolf.
한편 레프의 저택에서는 코너와 버턴의 페리퍼럴이 완성되고 있었죠. 그 시각 어째서인지 피켓의 집에서 정신을 차리는 밥.
Our guest has revived.
Well, sir, dig in while it's hot. We took some liberties while you were asleep. The state in which you were delivered to us was, what's that word you used?
Unsavory.
Fresh clothes, so forth.
What does it do?
There are folks that fall into the camp of blessed are they that have not seen and yet still believe. And then there are folks that follow the path of no one respects the flame.
피켓이 방심한 틈을 타 나이프를 집어 반격을 노리지만
The rock and roll school, apparently.
Would have guessed as much.
강력한 전기 충격이 가해지며 그대로 쓰러지고 맙니다.
It's adjustable, 1 through 10. That was a 4.
Was it you heard me?
Try the roast. Please.
플린 남매를 습격하라고 지시한 배우가 누구인지 묻는 피켓.
And I want to know who it is.
같은 시각 토미는 버턴을 찾아가 겪었던 일들을 털어놓습니다.
Something happened. Thought you should know. I don't quite know how to say this, Burton, but whole thing just went sideways.
Man, you fucking lost him?
Hey, now, hold on a second. All right, I wasn't like that. It's like I was targeted. Like they already knew something.
Who? What are you talking about, Tommy?
Whoever it was, they knew who I had in custody. They knew I was on the way.
To the sheriff's department?
That's right.
Sheriff Jackman.
Which leads me to believe that Corbell Pickett now has our guy.
토미의 상사 잭맨과 피켓이 한통속이 되어 밥을 납치했다고 직감하는 두 사람.
Come on, man. What the hell is going on here, Burton?
You know what, Tommy? Why don't you just do yourself a favor and get the fuck out of the way?
I've known your family my whole damn life, and that's all you got for me?
It ain't just Pickett. There's other forces in play, want us dead, and you just keep
Other
getting
forces? The fuck am I supposed to do with that, Burton?
I'm just saying, that's why you're all beat up, broken down, lucky to be alive.
자신들 때문에 토미가 다칠까 더 이상 관여하지 않길 바라는 버턴.
And I guess I understand, given your circumstances. Rebel bet me I couldn't get you talking.
한편 끝까지 배우를 불지 않는 밥을 설득시키는 피켓의 아내 메리.
I'm thinking maybe you and I could put our heads together and come to some sort of understanding. You agree to do a little talking when Corbell gets back. There must be something you're wanting that I could get you.
May I?
밥이 수조를 구경하겠다며 다가가는 그 순간
The fantail guppy's kind of a... Hey! The fuck are you thinking, old man? You're a guest in our home.
Mr. Murphy. Forgive me, we haven't been introduced.
그 무렵 래프의 저택에 로비어 경위가 예고 없이 찾아옵니다.
Would you introduce me to Mr. Zubov and Mr. Netherton, please? It's Inspector Ainsley Lobeer of the Metropolitan Police.
The Metropolitan Police, sir.
Call my father's solicitors.
Perhaps it might be prudent for me to slip out the back.
She knows you're here. She mentioned about name.
갑작스러운 등장에 잔뜩 긴장하는 래프와 윌프.
Whatever you do, don't lie to her. You'll most likely find it impossible anyway. They have that ability. The higher level officers.
로비어 경위는 데니얼 살해 사건에 윌프를 공범으로 몰아갑니다.
Your friend, Mr. Netherton, has been geolocated at the site of a crime. A murder, to be precise, of one Daniel Cook, head of security of the Research Institute, killed, it would appear, by Coyd. I could put Mr. Netherton on trial as an accomplice. 7 or so minutes from now, we'd likely witness poor Mr. Netherton's execution. As your trial began, I'd make it quite clear that you might save your own life. It has detected 3 peripherals on site, running on AI. Would you summon them, please? I'd so enjoy a quick peek.
AI로 작동 중인 페리퍼럴 셋을 당장 불러오라고 지시하는 로비어.
And when would you like...
Now, Mr. Zubov. Or soonest. Although as close to now as possible would be my decided preference.
London's calling. They're wanting us back.
그렇게 세 사람은 페리퍼럴에 접속할 준비를 합니다.
So this quantum tunnel, as you term it, allows you to communicate with the past. Or rather, a past, since in our actual past you didn't.
때마침 페리퍼럴에 접속한 세 사람.
And you, I presume, are the formidable Flynn Fisher, Inspector Ainsley Lobeer of the Metropolitan Police. Quite pleased to make your acquaintance.
플린은 로비어 경위와 첫 대면을 나눕니다. 한편 플린의 어머니는 몸에 변화가 생긴 것을 감지합니다.
Is anyone out here?
Something wrong, Miss Fisher?
Reese, honey, I think I might need you to take me to the doctor. I'm sure it's fine. Let's just go, you and me.
My truck's on the drive.
I'm afraid I'll need your help, Reese. I'm blind again.
되찾은 줄 알았던 시력을 다시 잃고 말았죠. 그런데 이때 피켓의 저택에서 탈출한 밥이 몰래 지켜보고 있었죠.
You've chosen an extremely oppressive decorative scheme here.
Well then, Inspector. Would you prefer the garden?
And take these 3 young visitors with me so we can finish our little chat al fresco.
Not to be disrespectful, but I'd feel a whole lot more comfortable if Wilf could join us.
한편 플린 일행은 로비어를 따라 경찰 훈련소로 향합니다.
A Met Police training facility. We call it the Zoo. Completely secure from any potential RI surveillance or interference. You two and Beatrice are going to have some fun. Unlike Miss Fisher, you're new to these bodies. This exercise should get you up to speed.
그곳에서 버턴과 코너는 테스트를 치르게 됩니다.
This is where our metcoids are tested. Follow Beatrice, she'll explain everything. I have a different test for you.
We advance from floor to floor, killing or disabling everything we encounter, until we reach the roof.
What happens there?
A surprise.
What kind?
A surprise is generally defined as an unexpected event.
곧바로 코이드가 생성되기 시작하고
How many assailants did we encounter here?
6.
There'll be 12 on the next floor, 18 on the one after that, and so on.
48 up top.
Only if you make it that far.
What's a coin?
A robot. Bipedal.
As a human.
Only for verisimilitude's sake. A little more speed might be nice here, gentlemen. Most of our trainees are already clearing the third floor by now.
속도를 지적하며 두 사람을 자극하는 비어트리스. 그 시각 꺼림칙함을 느꼈던 토미는 다시 차량을 수색합니다.
Yeah, Gladys. Fucking doodad.
그리고 이윽고 음파 무기를 입수하는 토미.
Sure.
Whatever you're doing, I need you to drop it. I need you to come over here to Corbell Pickens.
Thought I was on leave, sir.
You were? I just canceled it. Stop talking, get your ass in gear. We got a situation on our hands over here.
그때 잭맨이 피켓의 저택으로 호출합니다. 한편 병원까지 따라온 밥은 일부러 팔에 상처를 냅니다.
Lord, I'm hurt. I'm hurt bad. Help me. I'm hurt real bad.
그때 리스를 습격하기 시작하는 밥.
Yeah, that's it.
결국 리스는 숨을 거두고 맙니다.
Reese?
Anyone else here?
What's happening? What's going on?
I'm right here.
Where's Reese? Why isn't he answering?
He just stepped outside.
Sit. Both of you.
플린의 어머니와 디디를 인질로 잡은 밥은 리스의 휴대폰으로 어딘가 문자를 보냅니다.
I don't mean to be rude, ma'am, but you need to shut your mouth and keep it shut.
Well, Miss Fisher.
한편 플린은 자신의 스톱에서 잭팟이 빨라졌다는 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
That the RI must have opened the stub at least a decade earlier than you've all been assuming. The most disturbing of which is the jackpot. It appears to be happening at an accelerated rate in your world.
The secession, did it happen for you?
Indeed. Both Mr. Pinsky and your brother went off to fight in it.
And Connor didn't get hurt?
He survived the war unscathed.
로비어의 타임라인에서 코너가 살아남은 반면
But your brother did not.
When he got wounded?
Killed.
버터는 사망했다는 사실을 알게 되는 플린.
Let's approach this encounter as something along those lines. A getting to know each other moment. I'm going to ask a few questions. Try and answer them as quickly as you can without thinking.
그 사이 계속해서 테스트를 치르는 버턴과 코너. 마침내 옥상에 도달하고
This is fucking amazing.
I told you, bro. I'm moving here. Full time.
What's the surprise?
The training module isn't considered complete until only one of us remains standing.
서프라이즈가 시작됩니다.
Greatest fear.
My mama dying.
If I had the power to sever the connection between our two worlds, would you have me do it?
Do you actually have that power to cut our connection?
I'm sorry, dear. I seem to have overpromised. So, I'll say goodbye and Godspeed. Our next visit, you'll be more active. I assure you.
비어트리스의 실력에 반한 코너.
You are fucking amazing.
남매의 뒤를 따라 현실로 돌아옵니다.
I can't even read this.
Reese took Mama to urgent med. He said to come right now. Come on.
Sheriff.
한편 토미는 잭맨의 호출로 피켓의 저택에 도착합니다.
Holster your weapons, son. A little late to the party for it to do any kind of good. Well, that prisoner that you lost, he turned up here and killed Mary Pickett. Stole one of their vehicles. Right now, I need you to head up to the Fisher residence. I want you to take Burton into custody. You might as well grab the kid's sister, too, while you're at it.
What do the Fishers got to do with any of this?
How's this sound as a first draft?
이때 말도 안 되는 억지 누명을 씌워 피셔 남매를 연행하라고 지시하는 잭맨.
And that somebody hired a hitman to come take them out of this world. And he made his way over here to the Pickett residence, intent on stealing a car and making good on his escape. Killed poor Mary Pickett rather violently in the process.
Like you just fucking made it up.
When all the while, you working for me, which means you working for Corbell Pickett. Now, goddammit, you go get Burton.
No.
토미가 거절하자
Christ almighty, Tommy, you need me to lay this out for you. Take Corbell and I down to the station in handcuffs like two dirt dogs. Corbell and I, we're gonna tell a story about how you tried to blame others for your failures. Invisible SUV into your cruiser. Made off with your prisoner. Took him over here, turned him loose at Corbell Pickett's house. This being the same Corbell Pickett who employs some 50 to 60% of the people here in Clanton, mind you.
죄수를 놓친 토미의 진술을 누가 믿어줄 것 같냐며 협박합니다.
Corbell and I, we get set free with the sincerest of apologies. You, at best, you simply lose your job at the department. Although there may be some charges pending on you, too. You don't have a choice, Tommy, you see that, right? Because my story might not be true. It sure as hell sounds true. It's gonna beat your story every goddamn time. So why don't we stop dicking around with one another? And you go fetch me Burton Fisher. Along with that little sister.
불합리한 상황에 고민하던 토미는 무언가 결심합니다. 그 시각 로비어 경위는 버턴과 코너의 테스트 실력을 살펴보고 있었죠.
What did you make of them? Their characters, I mean.
Brave, assertive, resolute. The brother is likely the more predictable and dependable, but I'd be marginally more inclined to turn to his friend in a crisis.
If the brother is more predictable and dependable, why would you turn to the friend?
I'm afraid I lack specific data on that, Inspector. The decision was made in my deep neural network below any level of consciousness.
Interesting. What is it?
Charisse Newland is downstairs requesting an audience.
I lifted the veil ever so slightly on our visit to the Zubov residence.
셰리즈가 로비어 경위를 찾아온 사이
Mama's not answering.
Breeze neither. Can you link up with him?
I can't get a read on his vitals.
리스가 죽었다는 사실을 알게 된 플린 일행.
You see the 3 heat sigs? And the colder one on the floor? That's Reese.
He's probably the one on the right, but I'm not sure. We gotta get him to move.
See if you can link up with Reese again, trigger his ANS.
Fuck that, Bert. You'd be connecting to a corpse.
Get the body to twitch and maybe the old man will think Reese is still alive.
햅틱으로 리스를 움직여 밥의 위치를 파악할 계획이었죠.
It's him. He's moving. Looks cute.
그렇게 밥을 사살하는 버턴. 그 무렵 로비어 경위를 찾은 셰리즈.
The uncanny valley statute is rather clear that peripherals should never operate as autonomous beings.
Beatrice exists under a special waiver.
Doesn't look like the RI's handiwork.
사실 비어트리스는 잭팟으로 잃어버린 딸의 모습을 본떠 만든 페리퍼럴이었죠.
It's as if there's something natural about losing a mother or father that makes it easier for us to accept. Daughter, for instance.
I'm so sorry, Beatrice. I'm going to have to ask you to power down now. And please scrub the past 5 minutes from your memory.
Powering down now. Commencing scrub.
Why are you here, Doctor?
Something of great value has been stolen from me. The RI was subject to a critical data breach a few nights ago at the hands of an RI employee, and a peripheral piloted from within a stub. The presence of a Zubov associate at a subsequent crime scene connected to the breach points definitively to Klept involvement. As you know, is a highly sensitive area of research.
해킹당한 데이터가 다른 세력에 넘어가는 상황이 두려웠던 셰리즈.
And that's what you fear. Backlash and repudiation should knowledge of this become public.
But even more so, a potential hack of the mechanism. I don't imagine I need to tell you how dangerous it might be. For the Klepts to gain control of it.
What are you asking of me?
셰리즈는 과거 삼소노프 가문을 멸문시킨 로비어에게
Destroy the Zubovs, Flynn Fisher, and everyone associated with them, both here and in the stub.
관련된 사람들을 전부 없애달라며 협박조로 말합니다.
Entirely different situation.
Was it?
Sedition? I should think so.
You'll need to absorb and process this all. obviously.
한편 애쉬와 오시언은 플린의 뇌 데이터를 숨기려 하지만
Is habit so sige mo dayo? Kasi for
Sir Shell, Lila Nert, Mimo, Aiti Musher. It's your not flying her Rangalisen.
Arrogance. It's a form of stupidity.
이때 이들의 대화를 듣던 레프가 나타납니다.
Run to Daddy's study. Fetch him a knife.
Which one?
Any will do. I'm in a bit of a quandary here. Part of me, naturally enough, wants to destroy both of you. And it's a beauty, my boy. Tell me what you're up to, or I'll kill him. You have 10 seconds.
Alita thought she was working with the Pope's brother. She planned to download the stolen RI files into Taptic implants.
버턴에게 보냈던 헤드셋을 플린이 착용하면서 계획에 차질이 생겼고
Except for the fact it was the sister piloting the peripheral, and the girl doesn't have implants. So her headset translated the data into bacterial DNA, begun to colonize her brain.
데이터는 몸에 햅틱이 없던 플린의 박테리아 DNA에 저장된 것이었죠.
What were you hoping to do with that data?
Sell it to the highest bidder. Give it to the Neoprims.
Why in the fucking hell would you want to do that?
And build a new one in its place.
한편 피켓의 집으로 다시 돌아온 토미.
She's a real wonderful woman, Corbell. I can't
Think I might have
imagine.
come up with a pretty good one, Sheriff. Let's say the old man came here, killed Mary, and Mr. Pickett there, he called the police. And you were first on the scene, Sheriff. Because even after 4 terms, you still take your job seriously, and we all appreciate that.
Tommy, what in the fuck do you think?
The old man was still here, and when you drew your own weapon, he went and shot you. It's like you said, ain't got much of a choice now, do I?
불합리한 상황에서 피셔 남매를 지키기 위해 결국 잭맨을 살해합니다.
Is that you have the necessary balls to pull this off on your own. The fuck's that supposed to be?
What's a doodad? You arrogant piece of shit.
잭맨과 피켓을 제압하고 차로 돌아온 토미는 밥이 살해한 것처럼 꾸며 지원을 요청합니다.
Unit 204 requesting immediate backup to 27 Bateville Road. I got 3 parties down, suspect at large, presumed armed.
Copy that, 204, 1052, ambulance being dispatched, over.
Deputy, EMT's got a pulse.
For who?
하지만 피켓이 죽지 않고 살아있었고
What is it?
Shots fired. Clanton urgent med. It's got to be our perp.
총기 사고가 일어났다는 소식에 급하게 병원으로 향합니다.
But he killed Sheriff Jackman.
Shot him dead.
I assume you'd like to stop her.
Yeah, of course.
I'd like to propose an alliance.
한편 플린 일행에게 동맹을 제안하는 로비어.
You have much more than Charisse Newland to deal with, as daunting as the good doctor undoubtedly is. Your world is on a threshold of its own jackpot. I believe, in my own way, I can help you navigate the coming storm. Moment for you to issue any ultimatums or demands you might have.
My mama, she's blind again. And sick.
또다시 건강이 악화된 어머니의 치료를 요구하는 플린.
Like you promised you'd do at the start of this whole thing.
I'm very sorry. It appears Mr. Zubov's technicals have already attempted everything possible.
어머니를 치료할 수 없다는 소식에 플린은 충격을 받게 됩니다.
The auntie's best estimate is your mother has another 554 hours to live.
I'll go talk to her.
Please do.
그대로 페리퍼럴 접속을 종료하는 플린.
They promised us, Burton.
약속했던 것과 다르자 플린은 슬픔에 빠집니다.
I know you're sad, Flynn.
그날 밤
I had a strange feeling when I first found out about the glioma concerning you. And I found myself thinking, well, maybe it's not all bad. Maybe Flynn will really get to live her life now. You've been keeping us all afloat for a long time now, but you deserve more. Your father used to call you our little acorn when you were a baby, because even though you were just a tiny thing, he could sense the power and strength inside you, waiting for its chance to grow, just like a big old oak tree. Promise me, Flynn, you'll let that power grow.
어머니는 슬픔에 빠져 있는 플린을 위로합니다.
Maria, anathema, ash.
한편 래프가 선을 넘자 견디지 못한 애쉬가 셰리즈를 찾아갑니다.
The data Alita West stole. I know where it is and how to get it. It's in Flynn Fisher's brain. Lev Zubov knows this. So the Klept will soon have everything Alita stole.
아엘리타가 훔친 데이터가 플린의 뇌에 있다는 사실을 밝히는 애쉬.
I suppose you'll be expecting a reward for bearing me these ill tidings.
I want you to kill him.
그 대가로 래프를 없애달라고 부탁합니다.
May I ask why?
A breach of etiquette.
You'd be willing to use your presence in Mr. Zubov's household to assist in the endeavor?
I would. With pleasure.
The jackpot. I'll push it to the next level. Thus removing the girl from the equation altogether. Town, family, the whole benighted region.
잭팟을 앞당겨서 플린을 제거하려는 셰리즈. 그 시각 페리퍼럴에 다시 접속한 플린은 윌프와 마주합니다.
I guess you suspected all along, huh?
I'm sorry, Flynn. I presented a possibility as a certainty. To get you to do our bidding.
You think we can still find your sister?
윌프는 소식 없는 아엘리타가 죽었다고 생각합니다.
Can't see any way around it.
I'm sorry, Will.
Alita told me I had a home when I was young. She said I used to talk about it. But my first memories are of the transit camp, the food queues, rain falling on the blue tarp. I have no memories of the raids on the camps, but Alita told me how they burned us out. She took charge of me. I would have died without her.
과거 수용소가 급습당했을 때 아엘리타 덕분에 목숨을 건졌던 윌프.
We were captured, cleaned up. Alita fought to keep us together. So we ran off a few years after we were adopted. Alita planned it.
그 이후 지금의 부모님에게 입양되었던 것이었죠.
We lasted for 8 months or so in our own little kingdom. We even made a flag for it. A hand missing a thumb. She claimed every sin of ours originated with the opposable thumb.
Wait. Where was it? The hand with no thumb. Your secret place.
Such a fool.
그렇게 엄지 없는 손, 비밀 장소로 찾아가 보는 두 사람.
You sure this is where it is?
But it wasn't like this. It was forest, trees as far as you can see.
기술을 사용하자 가상의 사람들이 사라지고
Wolf.
어릴 적 모습을 한 아엘리타만이 남아 있었습니다.
What took you so long, Wolf?
No more games, Alita. Where are you?
Follow me. But not her.
No, she's the heart of this. She's coming.
Eyes and ears, Wolf. She shares hers with others. Isn't that right, Ash? She can leave of her own accord, or I can send her myself.
애쉬와 감각을 공유하는 플린을 경계하는 아엘리타.
I'll tell you everything. I give you my word.
그렇게 플린은 접속을 종료하고 윌프와 아엘리타는 수용소가 있던 자리로 향합니다.
Look familiar? This is where the camp was, where we first met.
I was too young.
It was too young for many things, but remembering isn't one of them.
The reason you don't remember is because you're not supposed to.
이때 페리퍼럴이 종료되고 진짜 아엘리타가 나타납니다.
Our implants, turns out they're other complex devices. The one thing that they do best is suppress memory. What did you want to know what happened when I ripped out mine?
You lost your immunity boost, which I suspect you'll soon come to regret.
No, I started to remember things.
이식 장치를 제거하자 기억이 돌아오기 시작했다는 아엘리타.
Under this beautiful green turf, thousands and thousands of bodies. And you'd remember them if you'd just cut yourself free. My family too. All slaughtered. Are you just going to stand there with your hands in your pockets? Do you want to know who killed our families, Wolf? The Klept, your mate Lev's father.
그리고 이어지는 충격적인 진실.
And they wiped us all out for fear of it. And not just here, all over England.
클랩트가 관리했던 수용소에 전염병이 돌자 무고한 시민까지 모조리 학살했던 것이었죠.
So yeah, they suppress our memories because they still fear us.
Us.
A little army of the dispossessed, render justice.
What could you possibly plan to accomplish with this rabble?
이 위선적인 세계 체제를 무너뜨리기 위해 연구소의 기밀을 훔친 것이었습니다.
The secrets to every wonder that the RI have ever built. The infinity in the palm of your hand.
And where would you possibly get that?
Inside the girl's head.
한편 의식을 잃은 채 위독한 상태에 빠진 피켓.
You know, like 10% chance of survival or something like that.
You just said I should prepare for the worst.
But he died like a warrior king, didn't he?
He's not dead yet.
And we owe it to him to carry on his legacy. So, guess I'm next in charge, right?
피켓의 밑에 있던 조직원들은 본색을 드러내고
You can still drive for us, Jasper. Wash our cars and shit.
Oh, absolutely. You do a great job with them cars.
Let's get a fresh one of these.
조카인 제스퍼를 하대하기 시작합니다.
They're still honoring it.
그동안 쌓여왔던 앙심을 품게 된 제스퍼.
Who should I drop off first?
술에 취한 조직원들을 차에 태우고 기차선로 한복판에 차를 멈춰 세우고 홀로 차 밖으로 나옵니다.
Jasper,
You remember that fight we had about Monopoly?
hon, are you drunk?
I'd never amount to anything if I didn't stop mistaking weakness for kindness.
Jasper, I didn't mean that. The whole reason I married you is because of how kind you are.
Why'd you say that then?
I guess I just wanted you to win for once. I felt like you deserved it.
아내 빌리에는 늘 그래왔듯 제스퍼가 계속 착한 남편이길 바랬고
I was about to make a huge fucking mistake.
그리고 바로 그 순간 질주해 오는 열차의 헤드라이트 불빛. 기차가 사정없이 돌진하는 잔혹한 파국의 순간을 보여줍니다. 다음 날 집으로 돌아가던 플린은 토미와 마주칩니다.
I heard about that train crash, Tommy.
That's not why I'm here. I got a phone call from Homeland Security. Right-wing militia chatter. Serious enough for Holmes to sound the alarm. I need to know if you know anything about it.
What is it?
They say they're planning to blow up a missile silo. And you know there's that new Air Force silo down towards Spring Creek? If you know anything about this.
I don't. I gotta go, Tommy.
미사일 사일로를 폭파할 거라는 소식을 토미에게 듣게 됩니다.
Megan, get the headset ready.
생각보다 잭팟이 빨리 다가오자 급하게 페리퍼럴에 접속하는 플린.
Ash! Ash! That silo explosion? The one we saw in the Jackpot Museum. Sharice is trying to make it happen in my timeline. You already knew? What the fuck have you done, Ash?
The data you and Alita stole from the RI. It's stored in DNA.
It's the shit in my head, isn't it?
플린은 애쉬를 압박해 진실을 듣게 됩니다.
What is it?
Enough to wreak havoc in your world and mine. You have to understand, if the Klep got hold of it, I told Sharice Newland.
And now she's gonna vaporize my entire fucking state. Just to make sure that Lev doesn't get his hands on the data. It's just a fucking game to you, isn't it? Winner takes all.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna win.
이후 코너를 불러내는 플린.
Why are we here?
Sharice Newland.
자신의 사람들을 지키고자 코너의 도움을 받으려 합니다.
Wiping all of us out just to make sure that I'm dead. So I came up with an idea. To open up a new stub.
You want a reboot? Like in a sim?
It could save us, Connor. But I'm gonna need your help. And Lobeer's too. First met, I asked you if you had the power to sever the connection to my stub. Do you?
No.
What about opening a new one?
로비어와 동맹을 맺은 플린은 새로운 스톱을 열 수 있는 방법을 요구합니다.
I am aware of how one might do it.
I need you to open a new stub.
If I understand this correctly, you're proposing a rather radical plan.
Therese will think she won. And that you helped her do it.
You do realize how daunting the odds are. Perhaps an ally might benefit you. Your brother, for instance.
Burton can't know. Connor said that he'd help.
결심을 굳힌 플린에게 스텝 포털의 존재를 알려주는 로비어.
The RI has several ancillary sites at undisclosed locations. Stub portals, they're called. The peripherals guarding the facility will be just as strong as you are.
Send me to one.
잠시 후 스텝 포털에 도착한 플린. 포털을 열 수 있는 키를 플린이 집어들자 침입을 감지한 세리즈는 페리퍼럴을 가동합니다. 셰리즈가 가동한 페리퍼럴을 모두 제압하고 스텝포터를 작동시키는 플린.
You really think you could escape me so easily?
You have a bad habit of taking control of dying things, Charisse. They're all here, aren't they? All these other lives. And all I gotta do is choose where I want to begin.
Wait!
I will find you. I give you my word.
2032년 부근에 또 다른 스텝을 생성해냅니다.
You see, I know exactly where you are. And you have no idea where I'm gonna be. Not without the coordinates.
접속을 종료한 플린은 코너와의 대화를 떠올립니다.
If I can pull it off, there'll be whole new versions of us there. Ones that Charisse will have nothing to do with. We'd be safe there.
But dead. In our own world.
Unless I'm already gone. Then she'd have no reason to blow up that silo.
플린은 자신이 사랑하는 사람들을 지키기 위해
It'd have to look like Lobier sent somebody. As a favor to Charisse, solving her problem for her. You understand what I'm asking you, Connor?
로비어가 처형한 것처럼 보이도록 코너에게 부탁했던 것이었죠.
What about this world?
I won't be back. Because I'm gonna kill that bitch.
셰리즈를 속이기 위한 플린의 연극이었습니다.
I know it's a lot, Connor. But if it helps any, I've made peace with it. And I'll count back. From 10 in my head.
곧이어 플린은 사랑하는 이들과의 추억을 떠올려 봅니다.
10, 9, 8, 7.
그렇게 새로운 스톱에서 페리퍼럴로 접속한 플린의 모습을 끝으로
Shall we get to work?
페리퍼럴 시즌 1은 막을 내립니다.